Hello, everybody. Remember on yesterday, I was prepping dry ingredients for my strawberry cake that I'm baking today. So, I'm here, I'm back to actually get the cake started. So, I've already mixed up my ingredients that I'm going to use to go into my cake. And I'm just hoping that I got everything at baking powder. Yeah. So I got everything that I need to go in already ready to go in. So the first thing first is I hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday. Of course, you know that it's going to be storming a little bit later. So I'm trying to go ahead and get this done before it does because I don't want to lose power or anything trying to, make my cake. So if I seem a little bit nervous, that's because I am. This is my first time actually going live to bake a cake. Like I stated yesterday, I'm not a baker, but today I am going to attempt to make this strawberry cake, which I have been craving this cake for the past week. And so I decided that I would go ahead and give it a try. So let's get into baking this cake. And I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Go to my, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Facebook, and I'm on Instagram. So please go to my pages, like and share the video. Leave a comment if you enjoyed my video. So I would like for you guys to support me. I am, a content creator. So I'm, trying to get this, off the ground the way that I, think that I should and that I want to anyway. So here we go. We're going to get ready for this process. I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing versus me. So yeah, so first off is we're gonna get this mixed together until it is creamy. Critiqued about what I'm doing, so if you see me doing something, give me some pointers on what I'm doing that you guys can do that's a little bit easier. Of course, I don't have a stand-up mixer because I'm just not a baker. So maybe one day when I can afford to buy one, I will. But I'm old schooling it with the hand mixer. So I got that done. So now I have to mix in my eggs one at a time. I actually should have put these in a bowl because I really don't want to put an egg shell in it. A little bit about baking, but I just don't try to do it. I don't try to do it because it's so it's nerve-wracking to bake, especially when you're trying to go by a recipe. Because you actually have to follow the recipe to the T to get the cake to be taste, and look the way that it should. that in there. Oh, we don't get no bird flu. I'm just kidding, y'all. Just kidding. All right. It says mix in the strawberry extract and vanilla extract. Okay, that's already in. Okay, so I must add the sour cream now. Yep, it calls for sour cream, so we're gonna see what that tastes like. Add in the sour cream. Okay. So far, so good. It's looking okay. All right. So it says, add your food coloring. So the food coloring, of course, is red. So I'm gonna do. Oh my gosh. So that's got a big hole in it, so I'm gonna do a little bit just to see how red it'll be if I do it just a tad bit. Woo! I don't want to do a whole lot because I don't want it dark red. A bit more. That's perfect. That's perfect. If I had added all of this, then it would have been so red. It'd have been looking like a red velvet cake, almost. But I'm glad I didn't. So, drop that in there. See, that's a nice red or pink. More or less a pink color. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, so got that done. See, this is it's a nice little pink color. Yeah, it's nice. You know, good enough to look like a strawberry cake. So after that, now it says, well, let me see. Let me do a little bit more. A little bit more red. And then I'm gonna leave it alone. There we go. A little bit more red. Now, after I do that, then add dry ingredients in the wet ingredients. So, and then I know I have to do this alternating the milk. So I'm gonna add a little at a time. And so I added the flour in. I'm going to do that alternately with milk. I wish I had a stand-up mixer. It would be much better. But I don't have that, so I have to turn it on and off just to get this done. Okay. Yep. I don't want to beat it too much because I don't want it to be crumbly and dry. So I need to watch how long I beat this after I get everything in. Yeah, I want to watch how I beat it. Alright. That's the last of the flour mixture and the milk. You know, like the old folks take that bowl and turn that bowl when you're mixing it on a hand mixer. You have to make it do what it do when you got a hand mixer. Okay, like I said, I didn't want to beat it too much because I don't want it to be dry and crumbly. So now after this, I have to fold in the strawberry reduction, which is my pureed strawberries that I have. So I'm going to fold that in. I'm not going to mix it. I'm going to fold it in. Yeah. All right. So we're going to just fold it in. This is going to be good, I believe. Y'all see what I'm doing? I'm just folding it in. Just giving it a fold, not stirring, just folding it in. I think that's enough of the puree that I got, I think I want to add just a tad bit more of it. Yep, just a tad bit more. And then I'm done with that because I don't want to have it. So I already have my oven preheated at 350. So I'm going to get ready to, and of course I changed my mind about using that pan. I think I'm going to go ahead and use that pan that's a little bit bigger than the one I have because I'm going to just try to cut the cake down to size. So after that, pour batter evenly in my pans. Bake for 20 to 22 minutes. Okay. So my pans are already ready. I have these kind of pans that's locked. You lock them. I have these kinds, so I did put parchment paper in there to keep the batter from coming out the sides. So Yeah, let's get ready to pour this in and be done and put them in the oven. So we're going to pour that in. That's one. We're going to pour this one in. Man. I really hope that this comes out right. I really do, because I'm going to be so disappointed if it doesn't. I'm going to be so disappointed if it don't come out right, but I gave it a try, guys. I did. Yeah, I gave it a try. So now I just take it and spread it around. I'm hoping it rise to the occasion. Let me take a little of this out because I look like I got too much of that. Yeah, I think I got a little bit too much of that. Okay. There we go. All right, guys. We got that done. So, oh gosh. Off to the oven we go. Oh shit, now. You see that, man? Okay. Okay, guys, I just put those in the oven, and my icing is already made. I made my icing earlier today. It's already made. So once those come out, I'm going to have to let them cool. And once I let them cool, then I'll ice them. And once I ice it, I'll bring it back and let you guys see it. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.